So I talked about on my long video of trimming up the yard, or short video, a video about how that grass right there is thin. Doesn't get enough sun. I might have to take a couple trees down. You got this one coming down right there. Compliments of Buppa. Miguel, give us a shout out, a wave. Hey, YouTube.
Hello.
Yeah, he's working on this. They get some more sun over here, so our grass will thicken up from not getting enough sun. We wanted to get it thickened up like over here. Nice and thick. Get that tree cut down. Get this thin stuff over here to thicken up like over there.